To assign track and strand, select Encode VPBs in the navigation panel. Then click Assign Track and Strand. Check the box beside the name to select specific voucher program beneficiaries, or check the box in the first column to select all. Click Mass Update. A dialog box will ask to assign the track and strand for the selected VPBs. Click Update to save, or Cancel to dismiss the action. Assigning track and strand for grade 11 and grade 12 VPBs is done separately.